To set Edge panel to open apps in split screen view with a tap on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. While you are in the apps panel, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the panel. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Under open in split screen view section, select tab. To see how it works, open the Edge panel again by dragging the Edge panel handle toward the center. While you are in the apps panel, tap your first app. Go back to the apps panel again, and then tap the second app. As you can see, once you tap the second app, your phone will automatically split the screen and show both apps at once. Given to the function, you can use this setting to make multitasking smoother. You just need to tap two apps from the Edge panel to easily open them side by side instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.